Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a rich, delicious bitterleaf soup loaded with meat, fish, kpomo and packed with flavor. Stay with me as we take this traditional Nigerian soup from scratch to soup done. Let's cook. As you can see, I've added the kpomo. Now I'm adding shower. We all know shower. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add the stockfish. We all know the stockfish and catfish, the dried one. When you combine both combo together, you know how the aroma is. You know how it brings out the flavor. Yes, if I'm not mistakenly, when you taste it, a trial will convince you. Now I'm adding turkey and fish. It's not, as you can see, it's not fried. The fish is not fried. I put it in the oven. Yes, that's what I did. I put it in the oven to make it dry. Now I'm adding crayfish, dry crayfish. We all know how I love this. You can actually try this soup at home. You can use it to eat fufu, rice, pando, eba, anything. Just wish to use it to use it with. Now I'm adding our pepper, our mixed pepper. I blended tatashe, tomato, onions. I blended it together. Now the next thing I'm adding Maggi cube. You can use Maggi of your choice. I just prefer to use no cube. Yes, I prefer to use no cube. It doesn't matter the type of Maggi that you use. As you can see, I'm stirring them all together. And let's just have a bit of palm oil. We all know palm oil, the red palm oil. Yes, you have to be generous with your palm oil when you're cooking your bitter leaf. Yes, you have to be generous. Yes, I've added the palm oil now. Let's stir together. Then I will cover it to cook for some minutes. Yes, I'll cover it. And now next thing we're going to do, as you can see, let us add our water leaf. Yes, a water leaf. Yeah. Depending, I prefer the 50-50 thing when it comes to cooking my bitter leaf soup. I prefer to use 50% of our water leaf and 50% of bitter leaf soup, and some prepare 30-70 depending on how you want it. So let's add more crayfish, which I'm doing now. Yes, you need more crayfish when you're cooking bitter leaf. Anyway, it depends on how you want to cook it here, and depend on your taste. Yes, let's cover it for some minutes to cook before we add our almighty bitter leaf. Yes, this is giving. Oh, do you need a plate? I'm adding our bitter leaf. Oh, make sure you wash your bitter leaf very well to remove the bitterness. Yes, to remove the bitterness, which I've done. Oh, I love this. Please, you need to try this. You need to try this. We have so many dishes from different culture in Nigeria which you can try. Just try one and you try will convince you. Now, as I'm stirring now, we are going to add salt. Yes. Let's add salt for taste. Yes. And I'm going to stir a bit before I cover it and leave to cook for some minutes before our food is ready. Our soup is ready. Finally, please subscribe and like and share. Please, it will encourage me to do more and more and more and more. I really love you guys. Please subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye.